Dear students, today we will learn the process of installing Anaconda. As I have got number of requests to download and install Anaconda. So today we will learn the process how to do this, how to install Anaconda and then start using the Python through this. So first of all, go to the your browser and type Google and just type here download Anaconda. The next step is, see here, very first page here is Anaconda here website. So right click on this, open in a new link. It will open very soon. Now next, the important thing is there that when you open this page, go to the bottom side and you see here there are three options are here: Windows, Mac and Linux. As my machine is having Windows operating system, so already this option is clicked and you are finding here Windows installer here. Clear? And you see here here is Python 3.7. Clear? So here there are two options are there: 64-bit and 32-bit. The important thing here is that if your system is 32-bit, so then you will download the 32-bit graphical installer, and if your system is 64-bit, then you will download that one. Now question arises, how we are going to check uh, what is my system is, if whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit. So for this, go to your my computer option, like here this is this PC, right click here and then go to the properties. So in properties, what you are finding here, see here my operating system is 64-bit. Go back over that and just click on the 64-bit installer, and the you see in the bottom side, clear, the download process has started. When the download is done, so you click here and show in the folder, and you see here where I have stored in a separate folder named as Anaconda. So see here, this is my downloaded file. So double click on this one. Soon you will find the options. See here. So welcome to the Anaconda 3. Just press the next button and say that agreement. Say press this button, I agree. Just you can use it for all the users. Next. It will take a bit time and the process will continue. Yes. After some time this will ask about the path. So go to the C drive, it's fine. Next. And see here the second option here is that register Anaconda as the system Python 3.7. Click on the install button and the process will continue. So you can click on the show details, it will show you the details, and the process will continue. You just have to see this one only. This process will take few minutes, so you have to be patient. So the process will take few minutes. Next, next, and finally say finish. So the process is over. Next is you are looking at this window button, and with this we have a search bar. So click here and type Jupyter. So this button will appear here. Click on this. So like this Jupyter notebook, don't close this one. So this is very important. Never close this one from this option. Just minimize this one. So this is very crucial step. Just minimize this one. So this type of window will appear before you in your default browser. So just click on this new button and click on this Python 3 option. So this type of window will appear before you. Just write your program here. And test your code here. So you see I have written a just very simple program and it will just print the values of a using NumPy. So to run this program, just click on the run button and you see the output in the display part. So this is the overall process of how to install the Python on your system, and here you can work with NumPy also as well as with the pandas also. Thank you very much.